As beard styles have evolved and more men wear beards, Wahl has led the way with innovative trimming, grooming, styling, and beard care solutions. Proudly made in America's heartland. That's a heritage handed down since 1919 through 4 generations of the Wahl family.
I'm a 4th generation Wahl family member. My great-grandfather created the first electrical handheld clipper back in 1919. Wahl's different from the aspect that we've been around for nearly 100 years. We have some credibility with our customers, so we want to do the same thing with grooming products as well. Say, hey, I'm gonna try that because I trust Wahl. All right, Jimmy, so tell me about some of your beard problems.
Well, my beard is long and curly, so I want to manage it, you know? I want to tame the beast a little bit.
Yep, I completely understand that, being a bearded man myself. So we've got the perfect product for that today.
All right.
So we've got your beard softener, which is essentially just a conditioner for your beard hair.
Smells good.
Yeah, good. I'm glad you like it.
Put some on. I want to see what it looks like.
So we take a small little dab of it across your fingertips, rub it together, and then just get all up in there.
And what's this supposed to be doing?
Yeah, so what the main benefits of it is to moisturize the skin underneath of the beard and then also soften that hair to make sure that it's not all brittle and dried and really is a nice soft beard after you get done using it.
Yeah, you can really feel it softening immediately.
Good, yeah, so work it in there real good, kind of shape it the way that you want it to look.
Very nice.
It is
Yeah,
nice.
I can see it coming together already.
Yeah.
How's it feel?
Feels fantastic. Smells fantastic. My sweetie's gonna love it.
That works. There you go. I think we're on a roll here.
Yep, definitely. So the next step in the total beard care solution is the beard oil. You'll take the dropper out, put it across the tips of your fingertips, rub it together like you did with the beard softener.
And you helped actually put some of this together, right?
Yep, we developed these from the ground up and really did a lot of research to determine what types of ingredients and essential oils and went into the products that are specifically designed for men, designed by men.
Great.
I'm really starting to notice the itchiness goes away.
Yeah,
on
good.
On my face.
And it's adding a nice little shine to it.
Let's see, that's what they mean by taming.
Yep.
That looks fantastic. How do you feel?
Feels amazing. The beast is tamed.